Welcome you all for this session. Are you ready to learn? Yes. I am Shanbagavalli from Bharathidasanar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Now we are going to see JEE Main Mathematics Complex Numbers Problems based on Arguments. Now let us see the first problem. Let Z and W be two non-zero complex numbers such that modulus of Z equal to modulus of W and argument of Z plus argument of W equal to pi, then Z equal to option A W, option B minus W, option C W bar, option D minus W bar. How to find the solution for this one? Solution. How to find the solution? What is given? Modulus of Z and modulus of W are equal. Argument of Z plus argument of W equal to pi. Let us take the argument of W as, let argument of W as theta. Then from the given value, argument of Z is nothing but pi minus theta. Pi minus theta. Okay. Next we know very well how to write the complex number in polar form. Now we are going to write the complex number W in polar form. W equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta, because theta is the argument of W. Argument of W is theta. Therefore, I am writing this complex number W in polar form. Similarly, you can write the complex number Z in polar form. Z equal to R into theta. Theta is nothing but argument of Z. Here argument of Z is pi minus theta. So, cos of pi minus theta plus I sin of pi minus theta. So, which is equal to R into cos of 180 minus theta, that is minus cos theta. So, minus cos theta, sin of 180 minus theta, that is sin theta plus sin theta. So, plus I sin theta. So, taking minus common outside, so which is equal to minus R into cos theta minus I sin theta. So, which is nothing but your conjugate of the complex number W. W is here R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Conjugate of this one is nothing but R into cos theta minus I sin theta. Therefore, we can write this as Z equal to minus R into cos theta plus I sin theta the whole bar. So, conjugate of this one is nothing but minus R into cos theta minus I sin theta. Conjugate of this complex number is cos theta minus I sin theta. So, this is nothing but what? W is R into cos theta plus I sin theta. So, you have to write this as minus W bar. So, Z is equal to, your question is Z is equal to what? So, Z is equal to minus W bar. Option D is your correct answer. Second question. If Z not equal to 0 is a complex number such that argument of Z equal to pi by 4, then which one is the correct option for the given one? Option A, real part of Z square equal to 0. Option B, imaginary part of Z square equal to 0. Option C, real part of Z square equal to imaginary part of Z square. Option D, none of these. Now we are going to see the solution. So, how to find the solution for this one? Which one is suitable for the given value? That is argument of Z equal to pi by 4. We can write the complex number Z in terms of polar form. So, let Z equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Theta is nothing but argument of this Z. Argument of Z is given as pi by 4. So, you have to write here cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4, because theta is nothing but the argument of the complex number. So, Z equal to R into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. Okay. Yes. Now, we are going to find the corresponding terms. So, squaring, we are taking the power as 2 on both sides. z square equal to r square into cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 the whole to the power of 2. So, which is nothing but r square. Using De Moivre's theorem, cos theta plus I sin theta the whole square is nothing but cos 2 theta, that is instead of n here 2, so which is nothing but cos 2 pi by 4 plus I sin 2 pi by 4, that is cos of pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So, which is equal to r square into cos pi by 2, that is cos 90, cos 90 is 0, sin 90 is 1, so plus I, your answer is I r square, z square value is I r square. So, value of z square is purely imaginary, there is no real part, therefore, real part of z square is equal to 0. So, argument of z is pi by 4, which one is suitable for this one, that is real part of z square is 0, there is no real part, only imaginary term is there, therefore, real part of z square equal to 0, option A is the correct answer. Next, third one, let z comma w be two complex numbers such that z bar plus I w bar equal to 0 and argument of zw equal to pi, then argument of z equals option A 3 pi by 4, option B pi by 2, option C pi by 4, option D none of this. We want to find the argument of z. Okay. Now we are going to see the solution. What is given? Z bar given z bar plus I w bar equal to 0. Now taking conjugate on both sides, what will happen? Z minus I w equal to 0, that is nothing but z equal to I w, so w is nothing but z by I. Okay, now we are going to see the argument of z. It is given argument of zw equal to pi, so argument of zw equal to pi, it is given. So, argument of z1 into z2 can be written as argument of z1 plus argument of z2. Therefore, this is nothing but argument of z into, instead of w, we are writing this one as z by I. So, which is equal to pi. Z into z square by I. So, argument of z square by I equal to pi. So, argument of z1 divided by z2 can be written as argument of z1 minus argument of z2. So, which is nothing but argument of z square minus argument of I equal to pi. So, this can be written as 2 into argument of z. Argument of I is nothing but pi by 2. Why? Because means tan theta, that is tan theta equal to imaginary part divided by real part. Imaginary part is 1, real part is 0, 1 by 0 infinity. So, theta is nothing but pi by 2. So, your value is argument of I is pi by 2 equal to pi. So, 2 into argument of z equal to pi plus pi by 2, which is nothing but 3 pi by 2, that is your value. 2 argument of z, 2 argument of z. We want to find the value of argument of z. So, argument of z is nothing but 3 pi by 4. So, option A is your correct answer. I hope you are all enjoying this video. Okay, we will see in the next session. Thank you.